Hello everyone, silvercoin stacker with part 2 unboxing from the 𝗦𝗲𝗿𝗃𝗲𝗿. Like I mentioned on the previous video, it was 8 of them. We separate them for 4 and 4. So now it's time to move with the other 4. To see what exactly it's inside. Half of the room is already with packages. So hopefully guys, you got lovely weekend. Because today it's Saturday for me when I do the video. The weather starts to be nice and warm, which we definitely need a bit of sun. Too much winter already. 𝗦𝗲𝗿𝗃𝗲𝗿. We got 4 of them. Yeah, we're gonna do it that way. So in here we're gonna get few more than the previous unboxing. Yep. Straight into it. Oj. Post office. Yeah. My God. I got the replacement for that. It's not a big deal. It's definitely not Martin, like you can tell. Everything was proper packages. It's just unfortunately Royal Mail, which I don't need to mention. They're not very brilliant. 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗹 2025. I'm gonna put it for now like that. Later we're gonna replace the broken one. Ah, here it is. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 35th anniversary. 2025, 1 ounce 999 silver of King Charles. Germania Mint. Other one is the 𝗦𝗫𝗵𝗵𝗃𝗃. Very curious with this series. It looked good. We're gonna see what's gonna be another monster of this release. And again, 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗹. That's going straight away for my Mrs. collection. Okay. And the other one. Panda. 2025. So curious with that one. Ah, I remember. Oh, this one's sitting for ages. Yes. I recognize now. Who doesn't love Batman? I got the first one, and that's the second one. Definitely happy to have both of them. Royal Mint Star Wars. And the last one, Dragon. So yeah, that's gonna be the part 2 unboxing from 𝗦𝗲𝗿𝗃𝗲𝗿. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you got a really nice weekend. See ya, guys.